Dear students, I hope you're fine. By the time you're going to be watching this video, I'm going to be in Singapore. So I left a class for you to work while I'm not at school. Go to this post over here. This is the one on Dear Students. While I'm away, please complete the following activity. As you know, we have been working with this on digital citizenship. Remember that you have to create a presentation. You can use whatever software you want, presentation software, but try to answer these questions. Why teach digital citizenship and safety? Okay, you have to teach then your students, this is going to be the rest of the school, what is safety, what is privacy, online safety on the go, how to create a savvy searching, stay safe from phishing and scams, and manage your online reputation. You can create as many slides as you want. Make it simple. Please remember that your audience are St. George's College North students from different levels. Now you can create also a logo if you want of your presentation using Google Drawing. And what I really would like you to do is to create a Google form. Now this Google form has to be based on the content that you generated in your presentation. Why? Because once you finish giving the presentation, let's imagine that some of you will have, S3, for example, secondary 3. Once you finish giving the presentation, the students will have to answer the Google form that you created. So I hope you have fun creating these activities and see you soon. Bye-bye.